Hello, I'm Farhan.
Hello, I'm Tushar.
And we are from Skyward. So this month we'll be only talking about different type of exams. Okay. And this week's topic is open book exams and their pros and cons. So let me ask you, Tushar, what is an open book exam and does it mean cheating directly from the book or what it actually means? Please explain to our viewers.
Okay, Farhan. Open book exam basically means in which the students are allowed to use their textbook as a reference. In this particular exam, comprehensive passage is given in which the students are allowed to use their textbook to refer the particular topic, and from that particular topic they can get the reference and answer the questions of the comprehensive passage. In the US and other foreign countries, this exam, open book exam, is already implemented. In India, CBSE board has tested it from 2014 to 2018. Karnataka government has also adopted this, but it is not permanent currently. But in the near future, or you can say in the near or the trends that are going on as an e-learning and all, so it will basically reform the entire education system.
Yeah, definitely, I totally agree with you. As we have seen the pandemic and the exams have been taken in this way only, and our CBSE patterns have also changed, the board patterns I'm talking about. So I feel this will be a new thing in the education system.
Now Farhan, actually I just wanted your take how the open book exam can be advantage, can prove as an advantage to the student, or what are exactly the pros of this particular open book exam.
Before going to pros and cons of this, let me give you my personal opinion on this, is that it cannot be a permanent solution for anything or the examinations, but it will be a pathway or an alternative towards taking us children out from the repetitive or what to say ratification system. Okay, because if they are not very much concerned of learning or munging up things, okay, this will reduce that. First, let's reduce that, because that thing is too much injected in our students that they want to mug up everything and score marks. Let's first take that system out from our students, and then we'll move on to some new things. Okay, this is my personal opinion. I don't say that this is good or right or wrong, anything like that, but this is my opinion that first we have to wipe the slate clean, and then we'll move on to some new or innovative thing, and this can be the way. Okay, not good or not bad or anything like that, just a way. That's my opinion or my take on this. Let's first discuss the pros of this, okay, and what are the benefits of this while we take this kind of exams, and then we'll move on to the problems which arise due to it. Okay. The pro can be, it can eliminate the rote learning. The exams can be made memory based rather than the mugging up system, and it can also take out the fear of all the things which usually happen. And I feel it can also reform the methods of teaching and improve the quality of education. So tell me, Tushar, what do you think are the cons of this or disadvantages of this kind of examination?
Okay Farhan, there are various cons of this particular open book exams. It will hamper or affect the memory power of the students. Second is, it will reduce the competitive feeling among them. And the third is, it is not suitable for the primary education, rather than it is suitable for the higher education.
So I feel these are the points which can cover most of the things, and I feel there are n number of points which I have missed out or we have missed out because of time limitation. We advise our viewers to have a look by themselves also, and have their own views that if it will be good for them or not. They should understand by themselves that will this type of examinations or this type of system will help them in a longer run or not, okay, or if it will lead them to a right place or not. Okay, these are the every examination is taken to analyze your skills or to tell you or to judge you where do you stand. Okay, if you are in a right place, you should be proud of it. If you are not, you should start working on it. Same thing which I always say, that if there is a problem, we should address it. This is the main criteria whenever we are giving any kind of examination. And moreover, I want to say that our whole education system is not ready for it yet. Okay, the teachers need to be trained or instructors need to be trained, and infrastructure is needed for this. A new type of system or learning has to be introduced among teachers or whoever are conducting these exams, and students need to mold themselves, and even teachers and instructors, they have to mold themselves in this new type of examination system, which will take time. This is the biggest issue with us. And we all know that COVID and this pandemic actually has taught us many things, that everything can be done in a smaller period of time if it is necessary. Same like the quote which we have all listened, that necessity is the mother of inventions. So it truly applies here. So let's finish it up and wind this video here.
So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and do leave your thoughts in the comment box that what do you think about this video,
and do write your innovative ideas in the Google form which is given in all of our videos, and which will be presenting next week actually. I'm Farhan,
I'm Tushar.
signing off.
Thank you.